Hello tech beings. So I welcome you all on your own channel Techniappa. So today we are going to learn a new language that is KTurtle. KTurtle is a programming language. Like when I have to communicate with any other person, then I am going to use any language like Hindi, English and Punjabi. Here also if I want to communicate to the computer, here also we are using languages, and that languages are known as programming languages. And KTurtle, it is also a programming language that is used to draw different shapes in figures. Shapes like square, rectangle, circle, any polygon we can draw using the KTurtle, and other figures also we can like flower, rainbows we can draw using the KTurtle. Clear? So how can we draw on the KTurtle? Why it is a KTurtle? Because like when you have to draw something on the paper, then what are you using? You are using pen or pencil. Here when you have to draw in the KTurtle, so we are going to use a turtle. Here is a turtle on the canvas area that is going to draw something on the screen part, that something on the canvas area. So that's why we are going to say that is KTurtle. Turtle is the thing that is going to draw shapes and things on the canvas. So when you have to draw, when you have to draw something on on a page, you are using pencil, and while writing something you are moving your pencil to the right, to the left, to the up and to the bottom. Here also we have to move the we have to turn the turtle to the left side, to the right side and up and bottom side. So here we are going to use the commands. Which command we are going to use? Like commands, you can say that like when I am going to say you, please blink your eyes, and if again I am going to say you, please uh, give me a water. Like anything that I am going to say you, that is known as a order. Like I am saying you, please blink your eyes, please clap, get stand on your seats, that is known as the orders. But in computer language, that orders are known as the commands, and we are not going to speak the commands, we are not going to speak the orders to the computer, we have to write. That's why we are going to say that is a programming language, something we are going to write, that is known as a program. And while writing the program we have to use the commands. There are some set of particular commands that we can use. Like if I want to, like there is a this is like, think that it is a turtle and it faces to the upside. It is facing, facing to the upper side. Like I want to turn to this side, I want to turn its face to this side, then it is it is the right side of the turtle. So to move its face to the right side, we are going to use TR. If I want to move its face to this side, then I am going to use the TL command. Clear? So here we have two commands, TR and TL. TL means turn left and TR means turn right. So here we have learned that KTurtle is a programming language that we are going to use to draw the figures. Like if I want to draw the square, if I want to draw the circle, sorry, then I am going to use the KTurtle. And in the KTurtle, to draw something on the screen, we will use the turtle. There is a turtle on the canvas area, and to draw, to make it draw something on the canvas, we are going to use the commands. Okay, so here I am going to introduce you with the turtle window. When you are going to open the turtle, how it will looks like. This is a KTurtle screen. Here I have drawn something for you that I will teach you how to draw, what is the meaning of everything. So here see, there are three parts. Sorry, there are three parts. One is the editor part. What do you mean by the editor part? Everything that you want to convey, if you have to write any command, then you are going to write in the editor pane. Everything, like I have written FW100, I will tell you the meaning of these commands. Don't worry, but everything we are going to write in the editor. Clear? And after writing and after executing any command, its result will be shown on the canvas. That area, that colored area, that is known as the canvas. And whatever we I have written here on the editor pane, to see its result I am going to press the F5 button from the keyboard. There is a F5 button on the keyboard. If you and You can use the run menu also. By clicking on the run menu, you can use the run option. Clear? And its a shortcut key is F5. Simply you have to press the F5 from the keyboard area. Clear? So here we have done what is editor pane, where you are going to write the commands, and what is a canvas, where after the commands your drawing will be drawn on the canvas area. We are not going to discuss about the inspector and any other thing. Just we are going to discuss about this only. So here we are going to discuss about some commands first. After that we are going to use it in the program. So first command, that two commands we have done, tr and tl. Two more commands we are discussing here, fw and bw. Fw means forward, like my turtle is here, I want to draw the line. So to draw the line, turtle has to move to the forward position, to the backward position, and turtle face is like that. Okay, if you want to move it to the back side, then you are going to use the backward, and if you want to move it to the forward side, then you are going to use the fw. And after fw, you are going to use write the size of the line, like 100. So there is line size will be 100. And if you are going to write bw, and after the bw also you have to define the size. Here I have written 70, then size will be 70. Here size is not in the centimeter and meters, it is in the form of pixels. We are not going to discuss about that. You can just think that if you are going to give a bigger number, then line will be a bigger, and if you are going to write the small number, then line will be smaller. Clear? Clear? We have done about fw, bw, tr and tl. After that we have the sh. Sh means like kturtle. If you want to hide the kturtle from the canvas area, then you are going to use the sh command. It means sprite hide. It will hide the turtle from the screen. Sprite. Sorry, I am just using it first time, so my rating is very slow. ss is a reciprocal. You can say that it is opposite of sh. It will show the kturtle on the screen. Sprite show. Sprite show. Clear? After that, like I have drawn something here, and here I have also drawn the line. But I don't want to draw the line here, but I want to draw the line here. Means I want to move it forward, but without drawing the line. Then I am going to use the pu command, pen up. Say when you have written something and you have to leave the space, then you are going to up your pencil. Here also we are going to use the pen up. I am going to pick my pen upside, and defining this I am going to use pu. If you want to move the turtle forward and backward but without drawing any line. And after that you have the I am going about the reset. If you want to reset all the things from the canvas area, you have drawn something on the canvas area, but if you want to delete it, then you are going to use the reset command. Then you are going to use the reset, like in the daily life we are going to use the eraser. If you have done any mistake, then you will use a eraser. Here you are going to use the reset command. It will erase each and every drawing from the canvas area. So here we are going to use some sort of commands.